Take a ride in the 2019 Ram ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, rear view camera, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, speed control, cloth bucket seats, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.